So is the grave digger?
What does it say? Read it first.
Read it.
You can spend this where you're going. I think I know where I'm going.
Where are you going?
Disneyland.
Are you sure?
Yes, because it has Mickey Mouse on it. Disney gift card. Disneyland.
I think you're right.
You're going to spend this where you're going. But the magical question is, where on earth are we going? I know where we're going.
Where?
Disneyland.
So now get your calendar back out and let's see when we're going.